I'm an owner-driver. I've had a vending machine business and I'm an actual cabinet maker by trade. I started looking for Amazon probably over the last 6 months. I've been looking to get into selling on Amazon. After the vending machine business, I didn't want to have stock and I didn't want to be tied to something that you're basically on call to be back and forward to. So plus I want to travel and I want to have more money. I've learned a lot. I've already got a product live and I'm already learning about some of the mistakes that I've made. However, I've been motivated through this course to actually get stuff up and running. Best thing I've learned so far is probably that I need to network with more people, because just speaking to people in the room, I've learned things today. I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start. I wish I had found this course first.